All right, we got our favorite co-conspirator, Mr. Bill Lundis here. And he brought his wife's, what is it, 2024? 2024 RAV4. Got it up in the air here. We're gonna real quick install an APS hitch onto it. This puppy came from Amazon. I will have a link up here in the video and in the description below, but this is gonna be easy peasy lemon squeezy. We're gonna knock this puppy out. So first things first, you're going to want package B out of the box, which these are bolts. And we're gonna walk right up here to this frame rail and we're gonna bolt the brackets up. So you'll see this nice little tape right here. Toyota was nice enough to give us welded on nuts on the other side of that. So we will cut this with a razor blade and some X's and then slide our brackets up and put our bolts in. And we're gonna finger tighten them for now until we get the whole assembly kind of finger tight together, and then we'll go back and torque everything. All right, here we are, first bracket up on the passenger side. So you'll see I got it snugged up, but not tight, so that way we can still move it around to get this exactly orientated how we want. So over here, I'll show you. So I did cut these with a razor blade and an X, but then I ended up having to peel them off. So the threads actually have some paint in them from the factory, even though they had this protective tape over them. So it's kind of a booger to thread them in. It's not terrible, but you can't finger tighten them all the way down. You gotta get a ratchet wrench on them or a ratchet and snug them up. But you're just gonna wanna put the bracket up, snug it up, pick all that tape off, and then we'll go about mounting the hitch after that. So let me knock this one out and then I'll show you how to get the hitch up there. All right, here we go. So I took the easy route and used my transmission jack to hold it up. We got the bottom two started on both sides. Now I'm gonna relieve some pressure to twist it and get the top two bolts through up there, but they just pass through and get nuts on the inside. Bill wanted me to tell you, you don't have to have a transmission jack. If you have two people, you can just do this on the ground in your driveway. It's pretty easy, but a lift and a transmission jack make it a heck of a lot easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the other one started, and then I'll tell you what the torque specs are on these ones and the ones up top, and we'll get it all tightened up and ready to go. All right, here we are. Everything is in position. I've tightened these bolts down. These are 58 foot-pounds. Make sure you put a washer under the bolt head and underneath the nut. And they're pretty much net fit. So now we're moving over to the frame rail. These are 86 foot-pounds, but what you're gonna wanna do is make sure you take the pressure off of it and pull it all the way towards the rear to make sure that both brackets, because they're slotted, are pulled all the way out. And then we're gonna tighten them down. Then at that point, you got yourselves a hitch, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are, y'all. Thing turned out real nice. It's perfectly in position. She'll tow. You're not gonna wanna tow a car or anything, but I'd say like 800 pounds or less, you'll probably be all right. Little utility trailer, but that's that. So if this video helped you out, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you wanna see more.